Hi my friends, let's make palm oil rice.
This is my goat meat that I'll be using for it. The pepper soup spice is already in there. The seasoning cube, the goat meat seasoning. So I'll be cooking this now. I'll be adding chili sauce in it. Washed rice already. This is my pre-washed rice. Onions, tatashi, pepper that'll be roughly blended. My beautiful scent leaf and curry leaf. My catfish. I already deboned it and I'm kind of washing it and putting it in here. And this is the powdered one. I'll still add it to it and I'll wash it too.
So I'm air frying my goat meat. Air fried goat meat after cooking like it tastes real good. Seriously.
I'm pouring in my washed rice in here. The next is to pour in.
At this point, I'm to use the goat meat stock to cook the rice. It brings out the flavor and the taste. Yes.
My rice is cooking. Let me start frying and preparing my sauce. Now my roughly blended peppers, atarodo, onions. And the next one we're putting the goat meat so everything will fry up together. You guys should leave this. So everything will fry up. I'll put my seasoning cube, my stockfish, my seasoning cube will be going. I'm just putting 2 cubes. The reason is because enough seasoning is in this food already, so you have to balance it. So be careful this stage how the amount of cubes you put. So
The aroma in the kitchen is something else at this point. I need to fry the peppers very well, the mixed peppers, until the oil start floating. Then you know it's ready.
Just small. I like to sizzle a little bit.
At this point, you pour in the sauce to the well-cooked goat meat rice, like the stock. Then you mix up, incorporate it very well, allow it to steam for them to marry each other properly.
Oh, gee. Very sweet. This style, this method is the real G.
Please, my friends, like, share, follow, subscribe.